skims.
Okay, so for the amount of curry you're probably going to be making, you could use 1/4 of a package of bacon. I typically use half a package of bacon. I thawed this out. It's a little. And so put that other half over here for now. And so we've got a new cutting board and cleaned up our workstation after cutting up all of our chicken. And now we're gonna cut up our bacon. And so I typically will just cut this into like small pieces and put it into the frying pan. And so use a sharper knife, just small pieces like this. And we'll break it apart before we put it into the pan. I'll show you. But just small pieces like this. As it fries up, it will get even smaller, crisp up. You just don't want any like really big chunks. We're gonna bring this over to our pan, which isn't on yet. We're gonna turn our pan on to like a medium-high heat, and we can turn it up or down as we need to. Start burning. Start burning. We're gonna put this into the pan. We're just gonna kind of break it up. It'll break up more as we cook it and stir it around a little bit. We're just gonna kind of break it up a little bit as we drop it in. You want to put this into a cold pan when you do it, so it renders out more of the fat. The fat will kind of help flavor your sauce more. When you're picking a pan to do this, because I cook it all in one pan, you want to pick a pan that'll be a good size for your sauce when you're done. Because like I said, I'll cook all of this all in the same pan. We're gonna leave our bacon drippings in here when we do our next steps, and then add our sauce cubes and our water and everything else. So just keep dropping in your bacon pieces. For you, you're probably only going to use 1 box of sauce cubes, and you'll probably have leftovers from that. So you're gonna want something that's gonna hold about 3 cups of water total when you're done. So keep that in mind.